And we're going to do that by putting the Corsair K68 into BIOS mode. Now, a lot of you have asked me, well, what exactly is BIOS mode? What does it do? And the answer is that when you put your Corsair keyboard into BIOS mode, it disables things such as the 104 key mode, the media keys, the Windows keys, and all software functions are disabled. This allows the PS4 to recognize your keyboard is a regular keyboard and therefore it works. So unfortunately, to get your Corsair keyboard to work, you have to enter BIOS mode. So again, if you have a keyboard such as the K70 or the Strafe Corsair keyboards, you're going to want to follow my regular guide. But if you have the K68, this is the video for you. You're in the right place. So what you see in front of you is a picture of the Corsair K68 keyboard from the Corsair website. So to put your Corsair K68 into BIOS mode, what you're going to have to do is you're going to hold down 4 keys. Those 4 keys are the Escape key, the F1 key, the Windows key, and then the Windows lock key you see here. And you're going to want to hold down these 4 keys for about 5 to 10 seconds. After you hold down these keys for about 5 to 10 seconds, you're going to see the keyboard lights flash and your keyboard lights are going to turn off. Then if you did it correctly, the Windows scroll lock indicator you see here is going to be blinking white. So that's how you know if you did it correctly and you got your keyboard in BIOS mode. Now, a lot of you have asked me about the RGB lights and whether they will work while BIOS mode. Turns out in the older keyboards, such as the K70 and Strafe, the first version of them. So it turns out with the first version of the keyboards, you will only be able to use a solid color for your RGB lights. That's the only one I got working. So before you put into BIOS mode, you're gonna wanna set your RGB lights to a solid color. That's the only one that works while in BIOS mode. So if you're trying to use rainbow effects and all that, it's not gonna work. Now, the only keyboards where the RGB effects will work, such as the rainbow, are the new K70 and Strafe Mark II versions of the Corsair keyboards. So with the K70 and the Strafe Mark II versions, I did verify that you can have the rainbow effects while in BIOS mode.